You need to stop using AI. Well, actually, I want you to stop using AI temporarily. Let me tell you why. If you're just using AI to create more stuff faster, cheaper, and more efficiently, I think you're missing the bigger opportunity. Because AI can also help you see your business differently. And for a small business owner, this is huge. Seeing an opportunity you've been missing can significantly grow your business, and usually the size of your bank account too. I'm not talking about building an AI app. I'm not talking about turning your business into a tech company. And I'm definitely not talking about handing your judgment over to AI. I'm talking about something much more practical. AI can help you look at the business you already have and see what else might be sitting inside it. A better offer, a different buyer, a new way to package what you do, a market you didn't realize you could serve. Because here's the deal. Your customers almost never want your thing, your product, your service, your program. What they really want is the result your thing gives them. The relief, the convenience, the confidence, the income, the clarity, the outcome. And AI can help you dial this in. So let me show you what I mean. Say you own a local bakery. The obvious way to describe that business is we sell cakes, cookies, pastries, and bread. And that's probably true. But is that really what people are buying? Sometimes, yes. Sometimes someone just really wants a cookie. But a lot of the time, they're buying a birthday memory, a thank you gift, a Friday treat for the office, a way to apologize, a little comfort during a hard week, or a tradition. Now, that may sound kind of subtle, but it's not. Because if you think you're just selling baked goods, your growth ideas are probably going to be something like sell more cupcakes, post more pictures, run a discount, and create a new flavor. But when you realize people may be buying celebration, appreciation, comfort, convenience, and local connection, suddenly the opportunity gets way bigger. Hey, but it's the same bakery, same oven, same basic product, but a bigger view of the opportunity. And this is where AI can be incredibly useful. Not because AI knows your bakery better than you do. It doesn't. But because AI can help you see your business through the customer's eyes, if you know how to ask it to. Let me give you another example. Let's take a small contractor or manufacturer. And let's say they sell and install solar panels. Different buyers may value that same product for completely different reasons. A homeowner may care about lowering their electric bill. A retired couple may care about having predictable expenses. A school may care about showing the community that they're in that they're responsible. And someone else may just want more independence from the electric company. Again, same product, different buyer, and different reasons for buying. And if that solar company only sees its product through the one set of eyes, they may be leaving some serious money on the table. AI can quickly help you look at one product from 10 different buyer perspectives. And sometimes the best and quickest business growth doesn't come from creating something new. Sometimes it comes from figuring out who else or how else what you do is valued. And of course, this works for you service providers out there too. Let's say you're a coach. I think you'd agree people usually aren't buying coaching. They're buying a change. They're buying a way to get from where they are to somewhere they want to be. AI can help you look at your coaching business through that lens. And you may realize you don't have just one coaching product or service. You may have several clearer offers hiding inside it. You're the same coach, same experience, same knowledge, but AI can help you see different ways to show that value. Like I said, this works for all types of businesses. But AI won't magically do this just because you open it. That's where people get frustrated. They open ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. They stare at that blank box for a little while, and then they type in something like, "How can I grow my business?" And what comes back? generic advice. Things like post on social media, improve your website, build an email list, know your customer, create valuable content. And then you're sitting there thinking, well, that wasn't too helpful. But the problem isn't that AI can't help. The problem is that AI has to be guided. If you ask generic questions, you're going to get generic answers. The value is delivered when you help AI look at your business from different angles. The goal is to use AI to see your business more clearly. And so now the obvious question is, okay, Del, how do I get AI to look at my business this way? And that's where most people get stuck, because it's more than just typing into a generic AI chat box. You really need to have a dialogue with AI. You want to ask it in a way that gets AI to ask you better questions back. And that may sound a little tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it. If you're impatient like me though, and you want to start finding hidden opportunities right away, I put a link to a free tool in the description. It knows what to ask you, how to ask it, and how to apply your answers to your business. This way you're not throwing random prompts at an AI and hoping something useful comes back. All right, now you can unpause your AI. But don't just use it to create stuff faster. Also use it to see the opportunities already hiding inside your business. Now, go make it happen.